Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm, where we work hard to make families stronger. And so today in our another installment regarding guardianship reinstatement, I want to talk about when should you file. So it's been a while since you've had guardianship, or maybe guardianship was given to someone years ago, months ago, and you're trying to figure out when is the best time to file. And I think the best way to make that decision is if yourself and everyone else seems to be ready for this to happen. Sometimes the guardian may or may not agree with you, but that shouldn't be a determining factor. But if your child is ready, you think that you're ready. And by ready, meaning that whatever was the concern during that time where the guardianship was transferred to someone else, those concerns have been addressed and alleviated. For example, perhaps you were temporarily homeless and now you have a home, you have a steady job, you have the resources to be able to care for your child. That's a good time to file for reinstatement. Perhaps you had a issue with substance abuse and now you've been clean, and what a court likes to see is sobriety from anywhere from 9 months to over a year. And I know it sounds like a long time, but they need to be able to see that you as a parent can maintain your sobriety, that there aren't any relapses, that there hasn't been times that there's been a hiccup where you've had a positive test or you've had some relapse, even though it might have been brief. They want to make sure that there has been a period of sobriety, and I would recommend anywhere from 9 months to over a year. Anything over a year is really, really good. So if you know that you've reached that particular point, you want to file for reinstatement. And so one of the things that they will look at is how long ago was the guardianship actually transferred to someone else. So if the guardianship was, say, transferred in January of 2021, filing for reinstatement in March of 2021 may seem a little too soon, because again, they would have wanted to see some kind of stability as well as a period of time where you can show, yes, I've addressed whatever was the concern. So a good time to probably file would be maybe in November or December of that year, or sometime after that. Anything over a year is pretty much truly safe. I think if you wait 10 years, if you wait 7 years, it will seem long and it will want to know what took so long. So anywhere between a year and two, or maybe a year and 2.5 years, it would at least be able to show that you've had a level of stability, that you've been able to be involved with the child's life, that you are doing what you need to do to be a parent. So there is this magic time, I would say, between a year and 2.5 years where it's a good time to try to get reinstated. Once you wait too long, the question becomes, well, why did it take so long? And if you file too early, their question, well, have you really been able to establish what you need to show that you're able to care for your child and be reinstated? So in deciding when to be reinstated, think about all of those factors. Definitely consult with an attorney, because we can be able to help you out and also hear about the history of the case and say, all right, this is what you need to show, and once you've been able to do that, let's go ahead and file for reinstatement. All right, so if you need any more information, if you want to know more topics, please leave a comment down below. And again, we are here to be able to help you, help your family. We want to see kids reunited with their parents, because we know parents are the best thing for their kids as long as they can provide a healthy, happy home for their children. So again, please stay tuned for more videos, as we are here to help families get stronger.